Choose a slot to use for this game. Getting Polly to say silly sentences is fun. Why not try the talking parrot game? Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot.
Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 yellow crackers. Polly wants more.
Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Touch the cards to make a pair. Have a practice. Then try against the clock. Pedro Pony. That's it! Susie Sheep. Richard Rabbit. Richard Rabbit. That's right. Mrs. Duck. That's it! Susie Sheep. Super! Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here.